Why do you take children out? Pupils, students?
To motivate them. Oko motivate. Na oko basegeta. Oko bairesiko. Like now, if I take this group, the top students this time, next time, I want to earn my place in that top category.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So in that one, it's pass competition. And at the end of it all, you know, there are some times we tell people that it's possible to take one of us class at university. That's a dream. But you see, it's possible. It has happened. I started it at Uganda High School. I told the students it's very possible. Now, what go C plus? That was 2021. Yeah. I told the students last C plus, you know, and we got it. We want 100% transition. Once pure.
Back again.
Once people challenge Maranda. When we had a mean of 9.0, Maranda was at 9.1.